Crisp, white, and oh so majestic, welcome to the world of polar bears. Fact 1. Polar bears have black skin underneath all that fluffy white fur, perfect for soaking up the sun's heat. Moving on to fact 2. Did you know that these icy giants can swim up to 60 miles in a single stretch? Now that's a workout. Fact 3. Polar bears have an excellent sense of smell, able to sniff out a seal nearly a mile away. No hiding from them. Fact 4. Polar bears aren't just Arctic residents. They're marine mammals, spending most of their lives on sea ice. And finally, fact 5. Polar bears are actually left-handed. Who knew? Join us again for more astonishing animal facts. Until then, keep exploring.